This is a G-code file for CNC machines. It tells the drill where to move. It is just plain text. You can view the coordinates in Notepad or a simulator. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's simulate the path. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective NC file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An NC file typically contains numerical control, NC code, also known as G-code, used to instruct CN. C, computer numerical control, machines. These files provide precise instructions for automated machine tools, dictating movements, speeds, and other parameters to create parts from various materials. Mastercam is a common software used to generate these files. NC files consist of lines of code that specify machine operations. Each line usually starts with a letter, e.g. G, M, X, Y, Z, followed by numerical values. G-codes control machine movements, while M-codes control auxiliary functions like coolant and spindle control. The format adheres to ISO 6983 standard, but variations exist between machine manufacturers. This NC file is designed specifically for the developer tool Mastercam by CNC Software. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows can't interpret their full geometry, so thorough review must be done in dedicated 3D software. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the NC file and select Open With. Test Mastercam if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the NC format's nuances differently. If your NC file still refuses to open, stay calm. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the NC file. First, use NetCDF Viewer. If a scientific data file, open the file using a tool like NetCDF Viewer or a programming environment, Python R with the NetCDF library. Next, use text editor. If a configuration file, e.g. NC Verilog, open the NC file in a text editor to view the configuration settings. Finally, check for corruption. If a large data file fails to load, the file may be corrupted. Check the integrity using a NetCDF utility or redownload. If no local program recognizes the NC file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn NC formats. Your one-click NC fix is ready. Simply use FileMagick. It opens virtually any file instantly. FileMagick.com has the download. The file issue should be gone for good. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.